Hi, my name is Sarah Brynteson, proud business leader of Infinite Shine Enterprises. I want to thank you for taking the time to check out this video, and we can't wait for your feedback, as this might be for something for you or for somebody that you know and love. So what this is all about is the opportunity to earn some real income right now, right away. We have two options for you to join. The first option is a virtual opportunity. It is a $15 option that gives you a paid website for 3 months for free, and you get to be paid weekly on those website orders. You get to be able to have the welcome bonus, the party bonus, and the Confident Start program. And you get to be started right away with all the digital tools that Tupperware has offered for you through their Touch Social and through our company. The second option is the summer kit option. It is a $60 kit that's valued around $200 that includes catalogs and the products you see here. My favorites are the fridge smarts that allow you to keep your fruits and vegetables fresher longer, the vent and serves, perfect for all the plan overs, and of course the breakfast maker, so you can make omelets, brownies, or even French toast if you want. All of this is going to help you get started with your demonstrations if you decide to go with that route. Just like with the virtual option, you will also get the welcome bonus, the party bonus, and the Confident Start program along the way.
So you heard me talk about the welcome bonus, the party bonus, and the Confident Start program. What in the world are you all talking about? Well, this is what it is.
Just by saying yes, you get to add to your home the 6-quart Ultra Pro roaster, which is really ovenware for your kitchen. This is made of a lightweight plastic that is heat safe up to 482 degrees. It's designed for you to be able to take it from the freezer to the microwave to the oven. So you could take something from the freezer, put it in the microwave to start the cooking process, and then finish it off to brown in the oven. We love to do that, especially with the lasagna pan. This has replaced every single 9x13 pan we own in our home. This lasagna pan is also the party bonus. So when you have $500 in sales before the end of the month, you get to add this one for a small copay as well.
What I love about both of these is you have the ability to tandem cook and to expand it. So whatever I'm cooking is just a little bit bigger or taller, I can actually take the base of the 6-quart and put it right on top of the lasagna pan for more room.
And then have 2 cookie sheets besides. The welcome and party bonus is open to every single person that joins our company in the month of August. But what's great is when you invite a friend to join you, you will get a second roaster for that same small copay. But wait, there's more! No matter which way you join, you have the ability to earn items off of our Confident Start program along the way in your first 13 weeks. What I love about it is you have choice throughout. It starts with the first level and goes all the way through cookware in level 7. We've had several people in Infinite Shine Enterprises earn it, and what I can't wait to see is what you would choose at each level as you move through the program along the way. At Infinite Shine Enterprises, we have company-wide events that allow you to be able to earn as you learn, and as you wait for your kit to arrive, if that's the option you choose. So what are the top 5 questions that everybody wants to know the answers to? And if your question isn't answered in this top 5, please be sure to ask the person who sent this video to you so we can answer them for you. Number 1, how much does it cost to get started? Well, you get to choose either the $15 virtual option or the $60 summer kit. The choice is yours. Either way, both options are great. How much time do I need to devote to this business? That's up to you. Tupperware gives us the luxury of being able to plan our own events and our own ways of getting started. The great thing with Infinite Shine Enterprises is we have company-wide events, so while you're waiting for your summer kit to arrive, should you choose that option, you can get into those events right away to get started making money from the very moment that you sign up, and being able to socialize online if you're missing that social interaction. 3, how much money can I actually make? You will make 25% commission on every party and every order. This is yours every month, and you have the ability to earn a personal volume bonus every single month. Can I have some friends join me along is question number 5. Of course you can. When you have friends that join you, you get to learn together, you get to hang out together, and you get to socialize together. Because we are spread out all over the United States, it doesn't even matter if they are right next door to you or not. They can join you, and you can be able to get started right away together. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please let the person who shared it with you know what your thoughts are. And what option do you think would best fit for you and your family? I can't wait to hear what you say. Thank you.